How do you succeed in climbing long routes without getting exhausted or losing the initial drive that got you into climbing in the first place? You invest in equipment that will not hinder your success but foster it. This includes choosing the right climbing shoes. Climbing shoes come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and materials. There are models that are best used for gym bouldering and others that are best for top roping. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 rock climbing shoes on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Bootora Men's Endeavor Rock Climbing Shoe. Is your budget limited? Then take a close look at this Endeavor model developed by Bootora. It offers great quality for a fraction of the price of those high-end climbing shoes. The Korean brand has quickly received the recognition it deserved. The materials and the design the company created with this shoe is outstanding. Featuring the 3D injection midsoles, these shoes provide the precision and edge for the all-inclusive use. The zigzag Velcro straps give the climber that tight fit, while the leather footbed ensures the fit is soft and comfortable. As for the tongue of the shoes, it is constructed from the memory foam fabric that further enhances the feet support during difficult climbs. The crux of the cookie lies in the fact that this model is eco-friendly. So yeah, these shoes are perfect from every standpoint. The shoes feature a triple fork webbing that offers climbers a custom fit. The lining is made from 100% organically grown hemp, affordable cost without compromising the quality. Number 2. Bootora Unisex Acro Climbing Shoes. Built for steep bouldering and sport climbing, the Acro shoes by Bootora are aggressive in the best way possible. Their downturned shape provides the premium edging, while the triple hook fork and loop strap foster the optimum comfortability when your eyes are on the prize. The overhanging climbs are also made possible due to the hybrid of upper synthetic fabric and the leather details. In addition, the heel has a high level of tension and stiffness that is essential for delivering the power to the front of the foot. Regardless of your confidence in climbing or your previously acquired skills, rest assured that this pair of climbing shoes will contribute to your professional advancement. Things we like: the custom injected midsole helps to maintain downturn. The closure system is highly adjustable. The model is available in both wide and narrow options. Things we don't like: due to the stiffness of the shoe's shape, they might not suit beginners who are not yet accustomed to climbing shoes. Number 3. Scarpa Women's Instinct vs. Rock Climbing Shoes. A versatile model designed for bouldering as much as for sport climbing gained its momentum in the climbing industry not long ago. And it's not startling, the shoes are easily distinguished on the market by their stretchy yet stiff feel that permits them to fit snug on the feet. This is further facilitated by the asymmetrical last and curved shape that contributes to the high level of performance. You are given an accurate control during your climbing adventures thanks to the hook and loop detail, so feel free to design the routes that have been on your mind for months. This Instinct Versus is here to help you with this not so easy task. Things we like: demanding climbs can be easily tackled with these shoes that are designed to have power and precision. The hook and loop strap provides a superb support. Things we don't like might seem too stiff for some climbers. Number 4. Sewell Free Range Climbing Shoe. You will definitely stand out in the gym with these bright green free range climbing shoes. They have a distinctive look that is accompanied by the easy-to-use Velcro straps and a padded tongue. The rubber toe box along with the increased heel tension offers the ultimate grip that will motivate you to reach bigger heights. Designed for advanced climbers, these shoes feature fishhook midsoles that are thin and stiff at the same time. This, in turn, provides you with the precision needed when cragging, climbing, or bouldering in the gym settings. The black rubberized material was initially incorporated for Navy SEALs, so have no doubt that these small details will bring you closer to your climbing targets in no time. Things we like. The single strap closure allows you to quickly and easily adjust the fit when needed. They are unisex. Things we don't like. The sizing is confusing as it differs for men and women. Number 5. La Sportiva Men's Climbing Shoes. When technical peculiarities and prolonged comfort merge, an impeccable shoe like Kataki is born. Sport climbs in Europe or multi-pitch routes around Southeast Asia, none of them make any difference for this La Sportiva model. These shoes are able to tackle almost every obstacle in your way without cracking or snapping. This is enabled by the built-in aggressive downturn and a low-profile toe box, both of which allow for the smooth yet tough performance. You will find the rubber sole of this shoe quite stiff and durable as it features the Vibram XS edge element. With the innovative S-heel authorizing you to heel hook each item, there is no way you won't be able to complete your climb with minimum to no exhaustion. Long climbing days ahead of you are no longer an issue. The lacing structure provides an additional level of security. The toe box with low volume profile allows the climber to put his feet into thin cracks. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.